Hello and welcome to my review of Temptation Cancun Bash Tower Ocean View Room with the jacuzzi view. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end so that you can find out the exact room number that you need to maximize your experience. Okay, so we received an upgrade to an ocean view room and I wanted to do a tour to show you the difference. So here's the doors. They open and close. I already opened them. To the bathroom. So as you can see, we have the his and her sink. Really nice, right? A door for the toilet, which remember in the guard room it wasn't like that. And the shower. So really nice, much bigger bathroom, much more space for you ladies. Nice, look how much space we have. Nice bed, of course, bed is the same size. And then the television, oops, sorry. Then you have seating, a table and another chair, a very nice chandelier. Now on the side of the bed is your control area, just like in the other room, your remote. And let's go look at the view. Beautiful. Look at this. A hot tub. Look at that view. See, I recommend this view. Like I said, it was sold out, and you have a view of the pool and the rooms. So excellent view. An excellent view of the beach and everything going on down below. So I definitely recommend that you all get the ocean view. And it's not that much more. So if you can get it and get the upgrade, I say do it. It's so worth every penny. We are super happy that we were upgraded. Truly grateful for Temptation Cancun, because my goodness, you guys, look at this view. And it is so much bigger. It's so much bigger. It doesn't even compare. I felt like I was cramped up in the other room. It's only one sink, so you have to wait on your roommate to be finished. You won't have to do that in the ocean view room because obviously there's two sinks. There's just so much more room. The toilet is at a totally different area, and you can watch the pool party action from your room. So you've seen both rooms, the garden view, and now you have the ocean view. And as you can see, the beach view, there's no comparison. Like I said, it was sold out completely, everything. And when we booked our room, literally when we went on the next day, even our room was no longer available. So, you know, we got in and got what we had, but the upgrade makes it so worth it. So there you have it. So if you want this room with this view directly in the middle of everything going on the 6th floor at the very top of the tower, make sure you pick room 6212. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Chat later.